Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Then again 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. Now 1 divided by 36 is equal to 1 upon 36. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is one division, here also is division, and here is multiplication. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Then divide 6, multiply 6. Okay. Now 1 divided by 6 can be written as 1 upon 6. Multiply 6. Okay. So now cancel this 6 by 6 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe to Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.